to you today. Wait, what do I say? What's good, Posey gang? It's your girl Micah, the owner of Rosey Posey Hair Beauty. Where's Posey gang or no gang, period. Coming to you today with a small business haul video. Want to see the video? Then stay tuned. Okay. What's good, Posey gang? I know your girl has been missing, but it's 2021. We're upgrading, period. Time off for my business, started a new job, but now I've been investing in my business with the money for my new job. I want to show y'all my new investments. Long story short, I took some time off, got my mental health together, got my money up, and I'm ready to get to it and crack it, okay? Don't know and you're new here, my name is Micah. I'm the owner of Rosey Posey Hair Beauty. We make custom wigs, sell virgin and raw hair, and we have lots of new products coming, so stay tuned. I've been purchasing a lot of wig heads because I want to be very prepared when I have my wig sales. I want to have all my wigs showing. Throw this old dirty one away. Moving on up to the east side. Then I ordered new marketing material for my business. New business cards. Rosey Posey Hair Beauty, slay the Rosey way, with our website, roseyposeyhair.com. I love these business cards. I like the shape. And these are from gotprint.com. They had a sale going on, 100 cards for around $24.99. Cater to your beauty routine today. Affordable custom wigs, virgin hair bundle deals, raw hair. Who you know? Who you know? Raw hair, beauty bonnets, 3D and mink lashes. And I know y'all see my baby hair is slayed. We have a brand new product alert, an elastic band with our logo on it. This is our brand new elastic lace band. It says Posey Gang. Posey Gang or no gang, period. It's an elastic lace band. It's Velcro, and it's already sized to your head and everything. You don't have to worry about tying it. You just lay it right over your baby hair once you got them slicked, and boom. Okay. Baby hairs will be laid over here. So shop roseyposeyhair.com and get your elastic band today. Or are you really Posey gang? I don't think so. roseyposeyhair.com, only $8.99. I'm about to be on the block with these because I just can't. Every time I work for a company, 10-hour days. There's only 24 hours in a day. And you guys know I have twin babies that are 2. Like, if I'm given a job 10 hours, I didn't really have much time to be creative. So I think I might be taking a step back from working for a minute just to invest a lot of time into my business and get things flowing back the way they were. Whoa, sorry sis. Okay, and these are also a part of the new marketing material that I got. I accidentally ordered them too small, but I'm still gonna be using them. Thank you for your business. The picture of me. Oh, and by the way, this is from our raw collection. It's Indian raw hair in the texture mermaid wavy. I love this hair. It's so soft. So soft, literally. And it's thick. You can see Those tresses are thick, honey. But yes. So it's just a little picture of me in my raw hair with our Instagram. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Rosey Posey Hair. And a coupon code, enjoy $15 off your next order, period. I got some new shipping poly mailers. These are not padded. I love it. You know my brand colors are lavender purple and this teal turquoise blue, so this was perfect. Amazon was taxing for the lavender ones. I'll make sure to leave the link down below. These little organza bags in the same teal blue color. I figured this will be perfect for if somebody orders just lashes. Put the lash in there. Put a little thank you card. So cute. So I got these. Did stock up from my vendors as well, like strictly for hair. I'm going to be having a wig sale for my new raw line. I'm going to be having a raw Indian straight and a raw Burmese curly wig for sale. And then for our Baddie on a Budget collection, there's going to be at least 6 wigs for that collection. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. Do not miss out. These I am very excited about. We have our very own custom boxes for my Posey babes. It just has our logo, Rosey Posey Hair and Beauty, Slay the Rosey Way, with our website. Thumbnail. Y'all see how they be trying to do me in front of company?
You just snatched it off on camera like
I showed it.
Chill. Made me forget where I was at. Okay. Well, I also got a new custom backdrop. Posey gang, Rosey Posey. I just really been focusing on my brand and brand awareness. So I got this off at Etsy. It was under 30 bucks. Your girl came up by Yang Designs. I will definitely leave his link below. But yeah, there was a lot of chit chatter online that custom backdrops were over $300, $600. So I was definitely happy when I found it on Etsy for under $30. Shout out to Yang Design. And these boxes were made by my actual hair vendor, and I didn't know he made them for over a year. So please ask your hair vendors what they have, any accessories. They were very cheap. And then I got this digital postal scale, which comes in handy when you're shipping and you need to weigh your order before sending it out. I actually got this for free for signing up for a membership on sams.com. They send you a free shipping scale when you sign up for their membership. And I think I just ended up canceling the membership and getting the scale. Shh, get your scale, sis. I also got this from ups.com. Is a thermal printer. It prints shipping labels. It's a thermal shipping label printer, and I got this by calling ups.com, and I created a UPS account, and it's only $3 a month. So this paired with the scale that I got for free from sams.com, I can ship orders from home potentially if I wanted to, or I can just get the shipping label printed out, get the weight and get the label on there, and have my packages ready to go to the post office. We are back and we're better. Like what? Next, I have a bedhead crimper, Wigs by May recommended this one. They have it at Target, but they also have it on Amazon. I got my Babyliss Pro curling iron, 1 1/4 inch. This was $49.99 on Amazon. If you're a wig maker, you already know Babyliss, and this is the old version. There's an even upgraded one now. I got this from Burlington's for only $12. BioSilk. And if you're familiar with BioSilk, then you know this one bottle is like over, I'm sure, like $27. I got the little bottle last time, like this big, for $16.99. If your soul is damaged, or if you're healing from trauma or anything, when you start a business, you really have to have your mind in it and be very intentional about the outcomes that you want and what you're doing, the effort that you're putting in, because it's hard to wake up every day and put on a smile and talk to your customers and get your orders out, that part, work on wigs, and then, you know, be in a good mental state. You have to be in a good mental state first before you can do all that. So that's definitely something that I realized, investing in my brand, and we going up from here. Okay, you guys have seen it all. I have some more stuff coming in next week and throughout all this year. So your girl is gonna be back on YouTube. Okay, I might even upload a video next week. Okay, it's been fun. Once again, it's your girl Micah, the owner of Rosey Posey Hair, where it's Posey gang or no gang, period. Catch y'all next time. Bye.